Okay, the pasture is cut. Now we're going to bale the hay and get ready to put the cows on. So y'all keep watching. And the work has begun. I would just let the cows out and let them eat all that hay.
Well, they're gonna eat what's underneath the hay. They can sell those bales. Mm-hmm.
This is the back of our property. You see all that's been cut. But I'm checking this road out to make sure the trailer can come down here without getting stuck. As you can see, all of that's been cut in there. Oh my gosh, this looks bad. You think the trailer can make it? You see all that? But you can see that all that's been cut. I'm seeing if it's too wet. This is the this is where I wanted to build a house. But if this road like this, people get stuck here all the time. Right? Look how thick that grass is. I saw a big snake down here earlier. Maybe that pond is full. Where's Tristan's feeder? I need to get the cows on here.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we could throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from miles.
see there's I guess 8 bales of hay out there. So, like I was saying, well, it was a little bit too wet to keep doing it, so they gotta let it dry, which they didn't want to do that. You don't want to get that hay wet. So, anyway, hopefully they will be here before the rain starts, and maybe it won't be so dry, so wet as it was yesterday. But, yeah, it's getting there. Cows will soon be on the land.